Unruly passengers have always existed, but in recent times it seems like you can't go a week without hearing a story of another nasty passenger. In fact, since the beginning of 2021, the FAA has received reports of over 3,200 unruly passengers, and about 75% of those complaints relate directly to passengers who refuse to comply with the federal mask mandate, which requires masks to be worn while traveling on public transportation and in airports. The fines have also been hefty. So far, the FAA has fined those passengers over $682,000. Here's how the fines work. The FAA can impose fines under the federal regulations, and the FAA can impose up to $400,000 in fines. For individuals and small businesses, the fines can be up to $50,000, and the FAA is required to give notice to the person of the penalty, and then the person has the right to appeal to an administrative law judge. If the person disagrees with the judge, then it can be appealed to the FAA administrators or the National Transportation Safety Board. And finally, after that decision has been made, the appeal can be made to the U.S. Court of Appeals. Beware that these appeals are typically very difficult to win, and you probably need an attorney to represent you in each of these matters.